Thanks for following along on our adventures. If you'd like to plan a magic vacation of your own, please subscribe to our channel and reach out to us on Facebook at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners.
Welcome to our room at the Grand Californian in Anaheim, California. We are in room 3233 this trip. We have 2 double beds and a pull-out sofa, so our room accommodates 5. Right here, when you walk in, it has these little hooks, which I appreciate. Some of the Disney hotels at Disney World have these. It's nice to hang like your lanyards, scarves, jackets, that kind of stuff. And then over here we have a closet, which I love because they incorporated like a full-size mirror. And like all the hardware and everything in this room is just so solid. Feels like such quality. We have slippers down below, an ironing board, a steamer, extra pillows and blankets here, and a safe, of course. Pretty good size safe with lots of hangers. This corner back over here in the entryway is just kind of like a luggage storage area. Also, it would connect into another room if you had an extra hotel room for a larger family. And then down this way we have our bathroom with 2 double vanities, the signature H2O Disney products down there, a really nicely lighted mirror, and all the way at the bottom they have this super cute little stool for your kiddos, which I feel like we totally appreciate with our ages of our boys. And then a laundry basket, and that way is the shower, toilet, and tub. It also has the rainforest shower too, like the Disneyland Hotel has. Look at the artwork, because that's so cute. And then heading this way into our bed area, we have 2 double beds, so just 2 full-size beds. They're actually not queen-size beds. We have a little desk over here in the corner with some lighting, all granite tops. And then I actually skipped over it, but we have the mini fridge over here, which is not too big. Like, I don't think you could fit even like a half a gallon of milk in there. Definitely not a gallon, maybe a half a gallon or a quart. So we have a Keurig machine and then our ice bucket over here. And again, everything is just it's done so nicely. We have our welcome screen and then a 6-straw dresser over here. I love that there are tons of USB ports and even USB-C. Oh no, actually no USB-C, just USB ports. And then underneath the bed, it's similar to like a Disney Cruise Line stateroom where you can actually store your luggage under your bed. The beds are nice and high and it's all empty space under there. So I already know Paxton's gonna love to crawl under there, but we're gonna love to keep our luggage. And then over here, we have this day bed that turns into a sleeper sofa. It's so cute, it's Bambi. So most of the hotel is actually themed Chip and Dale, themed like woodland creatures, so Bambi actually fits right in. That was a cute surprise. So I'm sure the boys will be fighting over who's going to sleep there every day. And then, so we are on the 3rd floor. You can actually kind of see the other balconies out here. But we have like the hard wall balcony. So just like a solid wall, almost kind of like a cove balcony on a cruise. Again, the 3rd floor, and we have a standard view. So we face towards Paradise Pier, or new Pixar Pier, and Disneyland Hotel over there in the corner. But it's a really good sized balcony. It has 2 chairs and a little table. And we kind of overlook the lobby entrance over here through the trees. thanks for following along. If you would like to book a room here at Disneyland Grand Californian, Disneyland Hotel, or Paradise Pier, soon to be Pixar Pier, please follow us on Facebook, shoot us a message, Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.